want to make a mention that I live about a mile from here, less than a mile as the crow flies, and all of these palm trees were transplanted here, and it looks like they're all takers. But you've seen the check the paraglider out up there that launches from near my house also. But anyway, this is a carnival-like atmosphere I was mentioning. They've got their own extra money cops, traffic cops on duty. I mean, it is a traffic jam.
Get your Mormon t-shirts.
It is a great crowd. Huge crowd. Driving is a lot more sane here inside the Mormon property. Look at the hang glider right on top of Moroni. Wow. They'll make a chunk off of that slice of land. Oh my goodness. Okay, speaking of Savendi for sale, we got a 2002 Honda CR-V. It's a cream puff, 163,000 kilometers, 123,000 miles for all the draft dodgers that can't convert. Yeah, I got to get some for sale signs. But anyway, now that he's off church property, grab it and growl, baby. Grab it and growl. Shake and bake. Shake and bake. He's going right into a roundabout. He gunned it through the gears just to go up there and hit the air brakes as he goes into a roundabout. But on this church property, they're all nice and polite. These drivers, they're not of faith, I don't imagine. Get me out of here. Grabbing gears. Here goes another one. Okay, nice and slow, nice and slow. It's a cream puff of a car. We've got it on YouTube with its own channel, with its own video. Used cars here are run about 2 to 3 times more than U.S. prices, used car market. So we're asking $10,900. That's negotiable. I'm going to drop it in $400 or $500 increments every week or two until we start getting some bites. And this is, I guess, part 3 or 4 of the Journeyman Jack Goes to the Temple. And 22 October 2022, Saturday, Sabado. Some call it the Sabbath. That's why they call it Sabado in Latin and in Spanish. Talk with you real soon. Like, share, subscribe, comment, share. Share with others. what it's all about. Regardless of, we got some passengers in the luggage bin. We'll try to zoom in on it. All right, that's another 5 minutes. Signing off. Over now.